Hi everyone, I'm Adam. I'm currently a student studying AS Physics, but I'm looking to go on to do further physics, and I'm doing sort of extra research in that. A little bit about me. And these videos are for that purpose, to create little helpful tips or guidelines on physics for A2 students and AS students, possibly higher or lower. But they're just starting out to be fundamental, helpful tips that you should just know, maybe remember, and they should be pretty helpful to everyone, hopefully. But specifically my class, the AS class, and the class above, the A2 group, at my school, because I see them, so they tell me what they want, so I do the videos on that. First helpful tip is going to be talking about units and working with equations. Basically, what you want to do when given an equation is to reduce it to its base units, so what each thing is measured in. To help me demonstrate, I have my whiteboard, and we've just taken the equation for acceleration, a equals v minus u over t. Basic SUVAT equation that you learn in AS mechanics. But yeah, always try and remember what each thing is measured in, and it should avoid a bit of confusion when you come down. If you've got a big long working out page of maths that you've done, and you can't remember whether something's in seconds or meters, which you might think is a bit obvious, but it happens more often than not sometimes if you've got a big long piece of work to do. But no, yeah, so always try and remember units. So acceleration here is in meters per second squared. Final velocity is in meters per second, initial velocity is in meters per second, and time is in seconds. This will, like I say, this will help if you've got a big long equation, big long block of maths, and you can't remember something. It will really help if you can just remember what units they were in, and then you can work it out from that. Also, it should help to get an understanding from where the equations came from, and yeah, different things like that, obviously. Also, it will really help at the end of the exams, when you come to finishing your exams. It will just really help when you need to write the units down. A lot of people, especially in my year, forgot to write down units, in which they lost marks, and it was a bit of a stupid thing to lose marks for, because they're all really clever people, and they just sort of lost 1 or 2 marks in each question because they just didn't put units. So working in units will help you to remember to write the units at the end. It's always a good thing to do as well, just as good practice. So yeah, hope that's helped. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next time when I don't know what I'll be doing. I might be blowing something up. I might be doing an experiment. So thanks for joining me.